After I remove wax from people's ears, they most commonly ask me, how should I clean my ears? And I always tell people, you really shouldn't. Your ears will clean themselves. The wax will move out of your ear on its own, and most of the things that people attempt to do to clean their ears out, I simply push the wax back in. A Q-tip simply drives the wax in. Using a washcloth or your finger or any other object, I mean, people will use keys, bobby pins, toothpicks, all of these things. They don't clean your ear, they actually push the wax in and irritate your ear canals more. So simply let your ears clean yourselves, or as the saying goes, Grandma told us, nothing smaller than our elbow in our ear.